Ginger tea has been a trusted remedy for centuries, known for its soothing warmth and amazing health benefits. Whether you're looking to calm your stomach, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy a refreshing beverage, ginger tea is incredibly easy to prepare. Today, I'll walk you through 5 quick and simple steps to create the perfect cup of ginger tea that will leave you feeling refreshed and healthier. Making ginger tea at home is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to enjoy the freshest ingredients tailored to your taste. Pre-made teas may lack the vibrant aroma and health benefits of freshly brewed ginger. By following these steps, you'll ensure that every sip is packed with nutrients and flavor. The first step is selecting fresh ginger. Look for firm, smooth ginger roots with a vibrant, earthy aroma. Wash the root thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt. If you prefer a slightly milder flavor, peel the ginger using a spoon to avoid wasting the precious root. Alternatively, you can leave the skin on for an extra earthy touch. Next, slice or grate the ginger. Thin slices work well if you enjoy a subtler flavor, while grated ginger releases more of its oils and provides a stronger, spicier kick. You'll need about 1–2 tablespoons of ginger for a single cup of tea, depending on your preference. Grated ginger also blends well into the boiling process, giving the tea a richer consistency. Now it's time to boil the ginger. Bring a cup of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add the prepared ginger and lower the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the ginger steep for 5–10 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the flavor. This step infuses the water with ginger's beneficial compounds, such as gingerol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. After simmering, strain the tea into your favorite mug. For an added touch of flavor, consider stirring in a teaspoon of honey, a splash of lemon juice, or even a pinch of cinnamon. These ingredients complement the warmth of ginger and enhance its health-boosting properties. Finally, take a moment to enjoy your freshly brewed ginger tea. Sip slowly to fully appreciate the calming aroma and robust taste. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or preparing your body for the morning ahead, this simple yet powerful drink is a delightful way to prioritize your well-being. By mastering these quick steps, you've not only prepared a delicious tea but also embraced a natural remedy for better health. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can help with digestion, support immune health, and even provide a natural energy boost. So why wait? Give it a try and share the joy of this healthy beverage with your loved ones. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and recipes that bring health and happiness into your life. Let us know in the comments how you enjoy your ginger tea or any variations you've tried.